Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Today. In this video, we will discuss about how to invest in cryptocurrencies in India and what are the two best exchanges that I personally use to invest in cryptocurrencies. It is completely my opinion and I suggest you to do your own research before investing your money into these crypto exchanges. So let's get started. Now let's discuss about our first exchange, which is Wazirx. Wazirx is India's most trusted Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange. Now let's see the features of Wazirx. Best in class security. Wazirx is backed by Binance and they are very secure. Super fast KYC. If you upload all the documents correctly, it would take around 10 to 15 minutes to approve your KYC. Lightning speed transactions. Wazirx can handle millions of transactions. Their system is designed such that it can scale up in a few seconds to match surging demand. Across 5 platforms, Wizardx is available in Google Play, App Store, Windows and Mac OS, and you can trade through Wizardx website also. So it makes it available in 5 platforms. Simple and efficient design. I personally feel that Wizardx is not suitable for beginners because Wizardx is a bit complicated. It is very difficult to read the graphs of particular coins, and also it is not possible to track your portfolio in Wizardx. Like you cannot see the percentage of gains and loss, and you cannot see how much you have invested and on what is the current value of your investment. It is not possible in Wizardx. Built by blockchain believers, the CEO of Wizardx is Nishal Shetty, who is a huge believer of Bitcoin and blockchain. He has around 50k followers in Twitter and he is on a mission to involve everyone in the blockchain revolution. Here you can see that Wizardx has its own native token known as WRX. WRX is a token created by Wizardx. There will be a maximum of 1 billion WRX coins ever created. WRX token has a huge potential. It follows the Binance token path, so it has huge potential. And Wizardx is a utility token backed by Wizardx, and which forms the backbone of Wizardx ecosystem. So it has a huge potential in the future. Let's compare Wizardx between another exchange in the last. The next exchange that we're going to talk about is Coinswitch Kuber. Now let's see the features of Coinswitch Kuber. Simple design, easiest platform to buy, sell and manage your investments. I personally feel that Coinswitch Kuber is very much suitable for beginners. Here you can see that it is very much easy to read the graph of every coin. You can also see the weekly, monthly and yearly performance of a particular coin. You can see what is the highest price of particular coin in an year and what is the lowest price. And it is very much easy to track your portfolio in Coinswitch Kuber. You can see how much you have invested and what is the current value of your investment. Zero fees. I feel that there are some hidden charges in Coinswitch Kuber. Here you can see like the selling and buying price of every coin is different. That is some kind of hidden fees. Trusted and secure. Coinswitch trading platform has processed over $5 billion of worth. I mean, it is available in App Store and Play Store. You cannot trade through this website. So this is one major drawback of Coinswitch Kuber. I think they are working on it. So that's it about Coinswitch Kuber, and you can start your investment journey with just as 100 rupees, and you can download through App Store or Play Store. Now let's see the difference between Wizardx and Coinswitch. Ease of use. Wizardx is complex for beginners, whereas Coinswitch is easy to use for beginners. Website and app. Wizardx is available in Android, iOS and website, but Coinswitch is available only in Android and iOS app. There is no website. Charges. Wizardx charges 0.4%, that is maker charge 0.2% and taker charge 0.2%, and there is no charges in Coinswitch. Trading currency. In Wazirx, you can trade through INR, USDT, WRX, BTC, P2P, STF. In Coinswitch, you can trade only through INR. Hidden charges. There are no hidden charges in Wazirx, whereas in Coinswitch there are some hidden charges. Like there is some difference between buy price and sell price. Buy price and sell price, which is same in Wazirx. But in Coinswitch, the buy price is more than sell price. Deposit fee. Wizardx will charge around 24 rupees for net banking. UPI is currently not available in Wizardx, and there is no charges in Coinswitch. And I personally feel that deposit through Coinswitch is very easy when compared to Wizardx. Withdrawal charges. Wizardx charges 10 rupees per withdrawal, and Coinswitch there is no charges. I feel that both platforms are very good for trading, and I personally feel that if you are a beginner, start with Coinswitch and later shift to Wazirx. And if you're more comfortable with Coinswitch, you can stick to Coinswitch only. It's completely up to you. Both are very good platforms. Here I mentioned what is the pros and what is the cons of every exchange. You can decide what platform you want to choose. The links for the applications are in the description below. Please go through that links. Thank you.